Cleaning and sterilization intraocular surgical instrument. Pre-washing. Wipe and clean the devices. Spray the devices with pre-wash solution to prevent stains or dirt embedded. Categorizing the devices before cleaning. Put the devices on the tray. Spray alkaline stain remover solution on the medical devices to remove stain. Organic matter, microstain, or light stain. Handle the scissors and brush gently with nylon brush. Clean the scissors by the solution passing through the joint. Clean and clear the scissors by moving the blades under the water. For forceps, practice steps above by spraying with alkaline stain remover solution, brushing the devices gently with a nylon brush. Rinse them with water for cleaning off the alkaline stain remover solution. Check well before delivering the devices